Hello all my viewers around the globe, this is Sima Crypto. For today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert USDT into BTC or the vice versa on Bybit. So just stick with me until the very end. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any video from Sima Crypto. With that said, let's dive into the video. So hope you've got your Bybit account logged in. So that's how it looks like. You come here on trade. This is very new, convert, and you click on converting. So once you're here, you first change where you have your money, the account where you expect your money. Right now for me, I have my money on derivatives. So under here, you change from and to. So my money is right now in USDT, as you can see. So I'm changing from USDT to BTC. So the next part, you're going to put the money that you want to convert from USDT to BTC. So you come here and put the amount, or maybe you can select all. So once you are there, then this is the amount that you are going to get. The fees is 0 fees. So once you are there, you're going to say convert. So this is the amount from USDT. This is the amount that you're going to get in BTC. And once you confirm like this, of course, conversion completed. So the amount right now is in BTC. As you can see, I've already received. So when you say view assets, so right now this is the amount that I have in USDT, but the amount that we have just selected, it is BTC. As you can see from here, this is the amount exactly. Alternatively, when you're here on derivatives exactly, you can come here and convert depending on how much that you want. And on this page, you can convert every coin that you want to convert to, depending, because it has all the buttons of convert. So when you want to convert from right away from spot trading, maybe your money is in spot trading, you come here on spot trading and click here. So you will select the pair that you want to convert to, and you come here on spot. So this is the way like you be like trading. So you come here, you can select maybe limit or market. So you select the amount, you select the price and the amount that you want to convert. So as of now, I have 100 USDT. After deducting the fees, this is the amount that I will get in USDT. Once you click here buy BTC, now you'll get BTC. And alternatively, when you go on sale, you come here on available balance, then you select the price, you come here and select the amount that you want to convert or you want to buy. So once you click here, of course you get USDT back once you sell BTC. So that's all for today. Hope you have got everything. Bye for today. Good luck.